Whole idea started with Jack. He was a Grand Canyon guide in the 70s. At that time, there weren't very many people making bags, so he decided to make a dry bag. When we were in Durango, we started in a chicken coop behind Jack's house. And that's where we started building our first boats, Paco pads, and dry bags. So we moved down here and started business January of 1990 in Aztec, New Mexico. Some people have asked us, why New Mexico or why Aztec? The Four Corners is close to some of the premier whitewater in the country. You're pretty much plus or minus 3 hours to anywhere around here. We started making rafts. We started that and built our first cataract in 1987, I believe it was. Plastic welding in most cases is thought of with the hard plastics, like we actually did used to repair a lot of kayaks. But all our fabrics are actually PVC coated fabrics. We do rotary welding with hot air machines. And then we have RF welding, radio frequency. That's what we weld most of our small parts down with. About 9 years ago, we were asked to bid on a project for NASA to build stabilization collars for the space capsules when they land in the ocean, and for a recovery raft, which this is. This is planned for 5 astronauts and 2 support personnel per astronaut. When I think back to it, you know, working graveyards at Purgatory and 2 jobs, Jack and I just getting this off the ground, and now we have 18 employees and we're building stuff for NASA. It's pretty damn amazing.